Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to calculate the value of given expression without the use of any calculator. So we have 2 raised to power 20 minus 20 raised to power 2. This can be written as 2 raised to power 10 bracket 2 minus 20 raised to power 2. And as we know, the formula of a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. So the above expression can be written as 2 raised to power 10 plus 20 times 2 raised to power 10 minus 20. On further solving, 2 raised to power 10 can be written as 1024 plus 20 times 1024 minus 20. On solving this, we get 1044 times 1004. This can be further simplified as 1000 plus 44 times 1000 plus 4. On solving this, we get 1000 plus 1000 times 4 is equal to 4000 plus 44 times 1000 is equal to 44,000 plus 44 times 4 is equal to 176. And further solving this, we get 10000 plus 48,000 plus 176. And on adding this term, we get 1048176. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.